Today we are going to revise the present simple tense. Do you remember the present simple? You remember it? Do you remember it? Okay. Okay. So let's revise it together. So again, today we are going to talk about the present simple tense, only the affirmative form. Today we are going to revise only the affirmative form. Okay? So today we are going to talk about the present simple affirmative form. Let's start. Okay, do you remember why do we use the present simple? Let's remember together. We use the present simple to talk about facts, habits, daily routine, and regular actions. Again, we use the present simple tense to talk about facts, habits, daily routine, and regular actions. Okay, let's remember together. What do we mean by the word fact? Fact means something Allah created in nature and we human can't change. Again, fact means something Allah created and we can't change. For example, when we say the sun rises every morning, the sun rises every morning. Look at the example here. The sun rises every morning. This is a fact. Why? Because this is something Allah created. Can you talk to the sun and tell her you are not going to shine today? Of course not. Can you wake up someday and find no sun in the sky in the morning? Can you? Can you? Hello? Are you here? Yes, no, of course. Yes. Yes, okay. So this is a fact. So the fact is something Allah created and we can't change. Like the sun rises every morning, the moon comes at night every night, the water boils at 100 degrees, and so on. These are facts. You can't hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? All of you? All of you can, Yahya, you can hear now? Okay, okay, let's continue. Please don't write in Arabic. Okay, let's continue. So again, we use it to talk about facts. We say, what is the fact again for the last time? The fact is something Allah created and we can't change, like the sun rises every morning. Okay, we also use the present simple to talk about habits. Habits. Okay, what is the habit? The habit is something I do regularly or repeatedly, something I used to do, maybe every day, maybe every week, maybe every month, but I used to do it. For example, here, look at the example here. I visit my grandma every Saturday. Again, I visit my grandma every Saturday. So this is my habit. I visit my grandma every Saturday. Every Saturday, I go to my grandma. Okay, so this is something I do repeatedly or regularly. Every Saturday, I go to visit my grandma. So this is my habit. Another example, when I say I go to the club every Sunday. I have a swimming training every Friday. So this is a habit. Habit means something I do repeatedly or regularly. Okay? And also we use the present simple to talk about daily routine and regular actions. What do you mean by daily routine here? Daily routine means something I do daily, something I do every day. For example, I wake up early every day, I wash my face every day, I brush my teeth every day, I go to school every day, I study every day, I pray every day. So this is something repeated, okay? I do the action repeatedly, daily, every day. Okay, so again, we use the present symbol to talk about, say with me, facts, habits, daily routines, and regular actions. Do you understand this? You understand? Okay, oh, okay, excellent, all of you. Okay, so this is the usage of the present symbol. Let's move to the form. Okay, what is the form of the present symbol? How can we write a sentence in the present simple affirmative form? If you remember, we divided the present symbol into two groups. Do you remember? We have two groups in the present symbol. Group number one and group number two. Do you remember that? Remember? Okay, group number one. What can we find in group number one? Do you remember? Who can tell me? Who can write in the chat room? What is group number one? Are they I, we, you, and they, or he, she, and it? What's group number one? Do you remember? Can you write the answer? No, Anas, group number one, not group number two. Yes, Yahya, I, we, you, and they. Excellent. No, no, group number one, not two. I, we, you, and they. Yes, excellent. So, group number one, we have I. Revise with me, okay? I, we, you, and they. Again, group number one are I, we, you, and they. Okay. I told you before that group number one is feeling, feeling what? Feeling hot or feeling cold? They are feeling, do you remember? They're feeling hot. Excellent, Yusuf. They are feeling hot, yes. So, will they need a jacket? Will they need to wear a jacket? No, excellent. Yes, excellent, all of you. So they don't need a jacket. I, we, you, and they. After them comes the verb. After them comes the verb. Okay, try to repeat after me. Okay, after I, we, you, and they comes the verb. But the verb in the infinitive form or stem form. What do you mean by stem or infinitive form? It means that we will not add anything to the verb. We will not add s or es or ing or ies or anything. We will not add anything to the verb because this group is feeling hot. They don't need any jackets, right? Do you remember? So again, I, we, you, and they plus the verb in the stem form. Okay? Let's see an example here. Look at this example. I play tennis on Fridays. I play tennis on Fridays. Who can tell me where is the verb here? What is the verb here? Right, the answer. What is the verb? Play. Excellent, excellent, all of you. The verb is play. Excellent. Okay. Look carefully at the verb. Do we add anything to the verb at the end? Do we add any other letters, any additions? Do we add S or ES or anything? Who can tell me? Yes, excellent Anas. No, excellent Noor. Excellent Omar. We don't add anything to the verb. Hamza, where is the IES here? I play. There's no IES here, Hamza. Okay, pay me your attention. We are talking about group number one. Yes, excellent Malak. Okay. So again, carefully look here. Talia? Okay, Talia. The verb here has no additions. Okay, look at the verb carefully, Talia. We have here play, play. I play. Can I say I plays? No, of course. I play. Verb stem. Okay, Talia, pay me your attention. So, all of you, look here at the verb again. I play, play. So we have nothing here added to the verb, right? So after I, we, you, and they comes the verb as it is without any additions. I play tennis on Fridays. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Okay. So this is group number 1. Let's move to group number 2. Group number 2 here. Who remembers group number 2? Excellent, Yahya. Excellent, Noor. Yes. Excellent, Malak. He, she, and it. Group number 2 is he, she, and it. I said before, I told you before that group number 2 is feeling. Feeling what? Hot or cold? They are, yes, excellent, Yahya. They are feeling what? Cold, excellent, yes, they are feeling cold. So, the verb here need a jacket. So, after he, she, and it comes the verb. After he, she, and it comes the verb again, okay? But the verb here with he, she, and it will wear a jacket. How many jackets do we have here in group number 2? Do you remember how many jackets? Should we add 3 jackets? Excellent, Yusuf. They are, they are what? S, ES, and IES. Again, the 3 jackets are excellent. S, ES, and IES. So, if we find he or she or it in the sentence, so after the verb, we have, at the end of the verb, we have to add S or ES or IES. Don't forget that. When we find he or she or it in the sentence, we have to add S or ES or IES to the verb. Okay? Look at the following sentence here. He plays tennis on Fridays. He plays tennis on Fridays. Where is the verb here? Write the verb, please. Okay, Anas, play or plays? Plays, yes, excellent. Malak, and excellent. Yahya, Yusuf, yes, excellent. Plays, okay. So look here, what do we add here at the end of the verb? What do you find? What is this? We add what? S, excellent. We add S to the verb. We add S to the verb play. Why? Who can tell me why? Because we have what here? What is this? He, yes, and he is from group number 2, and if we have he or she or it, we have to add S or ES or IES to the verb. Okay? Is it easy? Is it easy? Okay, so he plays tennis on Fridays. Let's move. Okay, when have we add ES to the verb? When we add ES to the verb, do you remember? Mr. ES has some friends. Do you remember the friends of Mr. ES? Mr. ES has 5 friends. Do you remember them? Anyone? You remember? I'll help you. Oh, excellent, Anas. Excellent, Noor. Yes, excellent. Excellent, Laura. Yes, excellent, Yahya. Excellent, boys and girls. So, no, Hassan, no, I'm not asking about vowels. Okay, let's see together. So, if the verb ends with, when the verb ends with O, SH, CH, X, or double S, again, if the verb ends with O, SH, CH, X, or double S, we will add ES to the verb with he, she, and it. Excellent, Omar Ihab. Okay, like the following. For example, here we have fix, fixes, go, goes, cross, crosses, watch, watches. Okay, look at the following verbs. Here we have the verb fix, fix. What is the last letter here? The last letter is X. So ask yourself, is X one of Mr. ES friends? Yes, it is. So at the end, we will add ES to the verb. It will be fixes. Okay, excellent, all of you. ES friends, excellent, Malak. Okay, let's look at the verb go. Go ends with O. Okay, is O one of Mr. ES friends? Yes, so we will add ES at the end of the verb. It will be goes. Okay, what about cross? The last letters are double S. Yeah, they are one of Mr. ES friends. So we will add ES to cross. Which part, Talia? Which part? Talia, which part you didn't understand? Tell me here, okay? And here we have watch, watch. The last letter are CH, so we have to add ES to the verb watch. It will be watches, okay? So again, if you didn't understand this point, Talia, listen carefully, I repeat it. So again, we said, we add ES to the verb when the verb ends with one of these letters. What are these letters? O, SH, CH, X, or double S. If we see one of these letters at the end of the verb, and the sentence starts with he or she or it, so when we write the verb, we have to add ES. So, for example, he fixes the car. She goes to school. Mona watches TV and so on. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, Talia, which part? Tell me which part. Before this? You mean group number 1 and group number 2? Okay, I will say it quickly, Talia, and please pay me your attention. Again, we said in the present simple, we divide it into two groups, Talia, okay? Group number 1 and group number 2. Group number 1, I, we, you, and they. After I, we, you, and they comes the verb without any additions. For example, Talia, when I say, I play tennis, we go to school, they watch TV, okay? But group number 2 is he, she, and it. He, she, and it, after them comes the verb, okay? But we have to add S or ES or RES to the verb. For example, when I say, he plays tennis, she goes to school, he watches TV, and so on. Do you understand now? Talia? Oh, yes, excellent, Malak. Yes, yes. Okay, Talia, good. Let's move. All of you pay me your attention. So, the second point here, when do we have to add IES to the verb? We add IES to the verb when the verb ends with Y. Excellent, Anas. Yes, we add IES to the verb when the verb ends with Y and before it a consonant. Okay, again, when the verb ends with Y and before it a consonant. Okay, what does it mean? Pay me your attention here in the following example. Excellent, Yahya. Okay, look here at the verb carry, all of you. Okay, pay me your attention here. Carry, carry. This is a verb. Okay, what is the last letter here? Who can tell me? Right. What is the last letter? Y. Excellent, Yahya. Okay. If you remember, I told you before, Y has what? Do you remember? Big what? Big. Uh, hmm. Big eyes. Excellent, Yusuf. Yes. Y has big eyes. Can you see the eyes of Y here? Y has big eyes. Excellent, Talia. She looked at the letter before it. She looks at the letter before it and ask, are you a vowel? Are you a vowel? Is R a vowel? No, excellent. If the letter is not a vowel, what will happen to Y? Y will be, Y will be what? Happy or scared? Yes, yes, excellent. All of you be sad, be scared. Y will be scared because the letter R will push Y away. So the letter R will push Y away. So Y will call its bodyguard. What's her bodyguard? IES, excellent. Yes. So Y will run away and call her bodyguard IES. So it will be carries. Carries. Okay? So again, if the last letter is Y has big eyes. She will look at the letter before it and ask, are you a vowel? If the letter is not a vowel, it will push Y away. So Y will run away and call her friend IES. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. But, okay, excellent. But here, if the verb ends with Y and before it a vowel, if the verb ends with Y and before it a vowel, will Y run away? No, we will keep Y and add only S. Let's remember what are the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Okay, so if we found any letter before it, if we found any letters of those before Y, Y will stay and they call their friend S. Let's see the following example. Look here at the verb enjoy. Enjoy. What is the last letter here? Yes, excellent. Y, excellent. Okay. Again, Y has big eyes. Y has big eyes. She will look at the letter before it and ask, are you a vowel? Is O a vowel? Yes, yes, excellent, Talia. So, will Y will be scared? Will Y be scared? No, yes, because vowels and Y love each other. Yeah, they like each other. They are friends. Okay, so the vowels O, A, E, I, O, U, and Y love each other. They love each other. Vowels and Y love each other. So Y will run away or stay? You can tell me. Y will run away or stay? Stay. Excellent, Yusuf. Excellent, excellent. All of you. Excellent, Talia. Excellent, Hassan. Okay. And they will call their third friend S. They will call their third friend S. So it will be enjoys. Enjoys. Okay. Is it clear? Clear? Okay. Okay. Let's move. Okay, Mala. Okay, after this, we will talk about the keywords of the present simple. Do you remember the keywords of the present simple? We said before that any tense has some keywords. When we see these keywords in the sentence, we know that the sentence, for example, present simple or present progressive or so on. For the present simple, here we have a song. Do you remember the song of the present simple? I will sing it and try to sing it with me at home. Okay? Let's say it together. Okay. Every day and every week, sometimes and usually, and always and often, on all days of the week. Do you remember the song? Okay, so the keywords of the present simple, again, as we said in the song, are every. It can be every hour, every day, every month, every year. Okay, on, and we use on with the days of the week. We say on Saturday, on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. Always, always mean I do this thing or this action always, repeatedly, regularly. Okay, I do it every day, maybe every month, every week. Okay, you don't remember the song, Malak? Okay, I sang it with you. Okay, often and usually and sometimes and never. You too, Talia? Okay, I will tell the song for you for the last time. Okay? The rest, sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Every day and every week, sometimes and usually, and always and often, on all days of the week. Okay, try to memorize the song or to know it, Talia. Okay, it will help you to know the keywords better. Is it easy? The keywords? Any problems? Okay, good. Let's answer some exercise here. Rewrite the following sentences. Number 1, we study Arabic every Sunday. We study Arabic every Sunday. We want to use she here. We want to use she. Look, I'll choose some of you to answer, okay? But please, the rest, don't be sad. Okay, I can't choose all of you. I will choose some of you. Okay, the rest you can write your answer on the chat room. Okay, I will choose Talia. Talia,
Yes.
can you answer this, Talia?
Yes.
Okay, answer it, please. Read it first and then answer.
We study Arabic every Sunday.
Okay, excellent. We want to use she instead of we.
She study Arabic every Sunday.
Are you sure?
Hmm.
Okay, Talia, let's take it step by step. We will write
She
she.
studies.
Yes, excellent. She studies. Okay, what will you add here, Talia? S or ES or IES?
Um,
Look at the verb step by step, slowly, okay? Don't be in a hurry. Study, study. What is the last letter here, Talia?
why?
Y, yes, okay. Remember, Y has big eyes. You will look at the letter before it. Huh? What is the letter before it? Is it a vowel?
No.
No, okay. So what will happen to Y? Will D push Y away?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So we will add.
Um, IES.
Excellent. So tell me the sentence again, please.
She's studying Arabic every Sunday.
She what? Studying or studies?
Studying.
Talia, do we add ing or ies? Studying or studies?
Studies.
Yes. She studies.
She
Huh?
studies Arabic every Sunday.
Okay. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Talia. Thank you. Okay, so as Talia said here, we have, excellent, all of you, I saw your answers, excellent. We study Arabic every Sunday. We want to use she. So please don't forget that. Look, Add the verb automatically. Look at the verb. The verb ends with Y. Okay, remember the rule. Y has big eyes. She will look at the letter before it and ask, are you a vowel? No. So D will push Y away and call its bodyguard, IES. So the answer will be, she studies Arabic every Sunday. Okay? Okay. Number 2. Ali eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. Ali eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. We want to use they here. We want to use they. Laura?
Yes.
Okay, Laura, can you answer this?
Yes.
Okay, answer it. Please read it first and then answer.
Ali
Ali, yes.
eats breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Excellent, Laura. Okay, what did you do here? Excellent, all of you. I can see your answer. Malak, they eat, not eat. Huh? What did you do, Laura, here? What did you cross?
S.
S, excellent. And Ali, of course. So they eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Excellent, Laura. Thank you. So the answer here, they eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. We will cross Ali and the S from eat, of course. So it will be they eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. And the rest, excellent, all of you. Okay, but Malak, they eat, not they eats. Okay, let's move to the other one. Number 3 here. I goes to school early every day. We have a mistake here. We have a mistake. Yahya? Hello? Yahya, can you hear me? Okay, Yahya can't hear. Okay, I'll choose another one. I go to excellent. Excellent, all of you. I can see your answers. Omar. Hello? Hello? Are you Omar or Yahya? Hello?
Yes.
Are you Yahya or
Hello.
Omar?
Um,
Okay, Omar. Can you tell me? I goes to school early every day. There is a mistake here. Can you correct it?
yes. I go to school early every day.
Excellent, Omar. Thank you. So what did you cross here?
I cross ES.
Excellent. Thank you, Omar. Thank you. So I go to school early every day. We cross ES